Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, people, it is countdown time. We are going into 2019. We're going to be counting down the top 12 watch faces of 2018. And it has been a phenomenal year. The developers have got down, they've got super creative. They have raised the bar to the bar doesn't even exist anymore. I have reviewed many watch faces. And I'm so looking forward to seeing what the developers bring to the table in the year of 2019. I want to also say Happy New Year to each and every one of you, and I want to thank you for the love and the support on the channel. And with that, let's go ahead and kick this countdown off. Let's kick off this review of watch face number 1 coming out of the month of January. This one here is by MD called MD88. MD lit this one up. Now, what I liked most about this watch face was the design of it. It had your time displayed and stacked. You had all your step info on one side. You had nice moon phase. The look and the feel of this watch face was beautiful. Now, it is interactive. You were able to customize the color of the watch face, but out of the month of January, this stood out. Watch face number 2 out of the month of February was awesome. It was called WFP0053. My man lit this one up. It was a blending of analog/digital, a perfect blending of traditional versus modern. My man got down on this watch face. I love the stylish look. I really enjoyed the design. This was definitely a dress up and or a dress down watch piece, and you were able to customize the color of the background theme where you have the numbers at, and for your digital time you were able to customize that color theme as well, and it was interactive on top of it. The perfect watch face for the perfect number 3 out of the month of March was awesome. It had to be the number 1 design out of the month of March. Now, the name of the watch face was called iDesign 2. It was a very nice looking watch face. Gave you everything that you needed out of an analog timepiece as well, your date. Now, it wasn't totally interactive. You were able to get into your heart rate and your step information, and you were also able to customize the color to a few different colors to fit whatever theme you wanted to go with for that day. Now, the month of April was a good month. Spring was in the air. You were thinking about going out. You were hitting the town a little bit more than at least in the Midwest, right? Now, the name of this watch face was called MW Design Professional Dark and Light. Now, I enjoyed the theme. I enjoyed the look of this watch face. So if you were thinking of dressing up or dressing down, you can get away with both. But what I love most about this watch face is the fact that you had a dark theme and you had a light theme. So if you double tap, you can cycle through many different themes of this watch face, both dark and light, and you were in there. So if you were out during the daytime, then you had a daytime watch face. At night, you had a dark theme mode watch face. This one was a beauty for the month of April. Now, watch face number 5 was called Deep Gray. Deep Gray was nice. You guys loved this one. This one got many reviews for the month of May. It was definitely a good look. So if you're thinking about dressing up super casual, this was the watch face to download that month. Now, it gave you everything that you needed out of a watch face, especially for those of you all who are into step info, but you did get the best of both worlds, analog/digital, and the digital time was in 24 hours. It was a very good look, and it was interactive on top of it. The perfect download for the perfect watch face. Number 5 coming out of the month of June had to be the number 1 analog watch face at this time. I really enjoyed the design. Now, this is coming from DXX Studio. This guy got down on this watch face. It was called MTH0017. Download this one ASAP. It was the best watch face of the month. Very stylish. I love the hexagon look. I really love the detailing of the watch face overall, and I enjoy that it gave you half the information to one side. Very stylish, and on top of it, it was interactive. So if you wanted to dress up or dress down in this watch face, you can get away with either or. Download is a must if you're looking for something unique but yet stylish. Now, watch face number 7 for the month of July had to be the number 1 animated watch face of the month. Now, this one was very stylish, very unique. This one came from Fritz in Motion. He did an awesome job with this watch face, especially for those of you all who are into exercising. This was the perfect watch face to download, and it was worth its weight in gold. The month of August was a great month. We were rounding up the summer. We were going into the fall. This had to be the most stylish watch face of the month. It was called ALC 1841. I love the design. I love the uniqueness out of this digital watch face, and it really packed a punch so far as features are concerned. So you got your step status info, you had shortcuts down at the bottom, and you had an awesome digital display. This was definitely a great pick for the month of August What do you think? Now for the month of September, September was definitely an awesome month. Now this watch face isn't coming from the Gear Manager store. This one here, we decided to take a trip over to Facer. So if you don't have the Facer Companion app, make sure you download it. If I'm not mistaken, you're gonna have to download the app also from the Gear Manager store as well. I'm telling you, it's well worth it to get this one particular watch face. Now this watch face was very unique, very different. It was called Silver Honeycomb. I enjoyed it. Now what I like about it is that in spite of the fact that it is not interactive, right? It still gave you the information that you needed out of a watch face. It gave you your step info, your battery info, and if it was raining or cloudy or sunny outside, you got that right here. I enjoyed, of course, the font. This was definitely a great look for a digital watch face, and on top of it, yes, it had an elegant look. Now the month of October was off the charts so far as digital watch faces are concerned. Now my man Shaz get down, but Bjork also brought something great to the table as well. It was called Bjork Digital Groove 2.0. This one was nice for a digital watch face. The look and the design was not bad. The color options were beautiful, and it was interactive as well. So if you needed your step info, you needed a stopwatch, you had all those things in one. You were able to get to your settings. It was truly, truly a beautiful digital watch face for that month. The year right in the month of November for 2018, Boogaloo brought about the premium watch face of the month called Boogaloo PANTHEON. This guy lit this one up. Now if you were going to dress to impress, you were going out, you were going to hit the town, you were trying to get to a boss status, this would be the timepiece that you put on your wrist on any given weekend. Now I enjoyed the fact that this was an energy saving watch face. You were able to customize the theme to a degree. I love the style of this watch face, and if you wanted to, you could dress down, and it is also interactive. So if you need to get your step status info, it's still there. I enjoyed the unique style and premium feel that I got out of this watch. Watch face number 12 coming out of December. It's coming from PW. PW really outdid himself this year. He has had a phenomenal year. He has made many changes in the design and the style of his watch faces from the month of January all the way down to the month of December. And the watch face definitely shows that. Now I enjoyed the theme, the style, the blending of the analog digital watch face. This one here was superb. My man did an excellent job on this one. This one really deserves 6 thumbs up because he got really super creative. He made many changes throughout the year. This was a phenomenal timepiece to have on your wrist if you were dressing super casual and or dressing down. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the countdown. All the watch faces that I have reviewed, I will be leaving a link in the description, so just in case you want to go download, you can. But this year has been a phenomenal year. Thank you all for the support, for the love, and for always having my back. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Make sure you hit the like button on the way out, share this with other people, subscribe to the channel, and let's have an enjoyable 2019.